Hi guys, we're here to talk about plant deficiencies and how Plant Magic can help you get rid of them as quick and efficiently as possible. So I'm here with Plant Magic Mark, who's going to tell us about Magne-Cal.
Yeah, Magne-Cal is Plant Magic's magnesium and calcium additive. During certain stages of your grow, the plant may be lacking in magnesium and calcium, so this is a really good additive that you can use all the way through. Increases magnesium and calcium in a plant, which then in turn will increase the potassium and phosphorus uptake.
And they're all vital nutrients for healthy plant growth.
They are, yeah, they're all vital nutrients, yeah. You will sometimes notice plants maybe discolouring of leaves, that kind of thing. Magne-Cal is a really good additive to green up leaves, help with pest resistance and disease resistance as well. And it's a really good all-round problem solving product.
Yeah, and it's kind of a fast acting, so if you know you've got yellowing leaves and your plant's deficient in magnesium and calcium, it's very important to use Magne-Cal, and it'll sort out all the problems and get you back to a healthy,
it will do, yeah,
good
yeah.
grow.
It's a really good all-round product to me. It's a very popular product.
Yeah.
One of Plant Magic's biggest sellers. Again, with all Plant Magic products, UK made, UK ingredients, really good product. The other thing about this as well, it's very good value. It's 0.5ml to 1ml per litre. Right. So it's economical as well. Yeah,
so you get more for your money.
Yeah, Magne-Cal Plus has a full complement of trace elements. So it's a really good additive and really good problem solver for your plants. As you can see, it comes in 5 litre size. We even do a 10 litre size of it, which is a popular product. Small 500 mils and standard 1 litre as well. Right. So it's available in all these sizes, and as I say, really good all-round problem solving product.
So Magne-Cal is certainly a product you should use on your next grow. So if you'd like to find out where you can get it, then you can head to the stockist page on Plant Magic's website.